Hello to all my friends out there, and I just got home and I did a little shopping for my eBay business, and it's been my experience that if you shop every day, when the deals are there you can grab them. So I stopped in and I found a really good purse today, and this video is how to make more money selling purses. Okay, if you were following me about a month ago, I bought a whole bunch of knockoffs, and the knockoffs were all over messing up the house, and I thought they're driving me nuts. And finally I was able to carefully stack them in garbage bags. The only thing is you have to be careful not to crush them. Shelves would be better, and if you store them in pillows, pillowcases, that would be better, but it's not practical when you start getting so many purses. And I pretty much know which purses I put together. So another thing is the size of your the first thing is buy low. Don't pay a lot for the purse if you're buying it used, because you're not going to make as much money. That goes without saying. So you have to be careful. You have to shop. You have to be willing to wait. Just like the jewelry, just like the watches, clothes even. Sometimes the dollar merchandise will dry up, so I have to go on to something else. I tried a few. I tried a few cameras, and I'm going to try. The next thing I'm going to try is men's clothes pretty soon. So, okay, on purses, buy low. Find luxury items in pristine condition. Don't buy, I have bought some purses, nice ones, but they weren't luxury items. So, they're not as valuable, but I can sell them at the swap meet. But then I have to sit in the sun and I have to load the stuff around, and that's not my favorite, but can be done. Okay, now this is one of the most important things if you're doing the eBay, the size. Okay, I have discovered if you go to your smaller type purses, these are pretty decent size. You can stack hundreds of dollars worth of purses in a box, and then they're nice and safe in a box, easy to find. Okay, so what I bought, I have to be careful, this one down here. Okay, what I bought was, this is a leather Cole Haan, and I sell their sunglasses, any Cole Haan stuff I can get. I mean, these are super nice. They unzip for more and they have lots of pockets, and this one's in really good shape, and so I can slip this in a flat rate box. I have to be careful, I can't crush it, but and then today I bought this is nice. Okay, this is a snake skin Cole Haan purse. And now another point is on shipping. On some of them, I'm going to pay a little bit more. I'm not going to make as much money because I'm going to have to pay a little bit more shipping. And this is a prime example because you don't want to damage this strap. Very easy to do. So this purse is in pristine condition. I'll probably sell this purse for $49. And whoever gets it, if you buy low and you sell low, then you're happy, and then the client's happy, and then you start getting more and more, and it has nice magnetic, all kinds of, these are well-made purses. I paid $14.99, really good deal I got, really good deal whoever, and it has the zipper to enlarge the inside too. Okay, so last thing is what you want to do is create an inventory of luxury items, because this is going to feed you today and is going to feed you in the future. I just sold a really nice purse. It was a bigger purse and it was expensive to ship, and I gave the person a really good deal. I got it cheap. I didn't make as much money, but I'm still learning the purses, but I came to this conclusion quick. I can mail these for probably about $8. So 1, buy low. 2, find luxury items in pristine condition. Find smaller purses. I mean, if you find a really good deal on larger purses, I mean, a really good deal, I would snap it up, but you have to charge between $16 and $20 to ship them. And create an inventory. So back to the thing, if you buy something for $1, you sell for $10. Okay, now on these items, I'm not making as much money as I do on some of the low dollar items. But if you have a well-rounded inventory, you have purses, you have watches, you have jewelry, you have clothes, you have coats, and you have some, I even bought some electronics. So that is my video on how to make more money selling purses. And this really works. I have about, in a box, I could pack in, I mean, it's hard to say, I could pack in 50 purses. So you figure 50 purses, $50 in one box, that's good. You're not like clothes. I'm not complaining about clothes. I'm still suffering from yesterday packing them up. So this is really a nice purse. Keep your eyes out for snakeskin belts, snakeskin shoes. Used shoes leave me cold, but I've heard there's a market for them. And snakeskin wallets. But most of the time they're beat up because it's very easy to damage the snakeskin. So, okay, you guys, God bless you.